Once upon a time, there was a small village called Sukhgaon. Sukhgaon was surrounded by fields, hills, and tall trees. A small river flowed near the village. People in the village lived simple lives. They woke up early. They worked hard. They helped one another. In this village lived a boy named Raju. Raju was around 10 years old. He was thin, quick, and curious. Raju liked to ask many questions, sometimes too many. He wanted quick answers, quick results. If something took time, he became restless. Raju lived with his grandmother, Aji. Aji was old. Her hair was white. Her steps were slow. But Aji was wise. She spoke less, but every word had meaning. Every morning, Raju helped Aji fetch water from the well. The well was old and deep. One day, Raju complained, "Aji, why do we walk so slowly? If we hurry, we can finish early." Aji smiled. She said, "Slow steps reach far, Raju." Raju did not understand. He laughed and ran ahead. One afternoon, the school announced a competition. Each student had to grow a plant and take care of it for 1 month. The healthiest plant would win a prize. Raju was excited. "I will win," he said. On the way home, Raju told Aji about the competition. Aji listened carefully. She said, "Good, but remember, plants grow slowly." Raju nodded, but did not really listen. The next day, Raju planted a seed. Every morning, he ran to see it. Nothing happened. No leaf. No stem. Raju became angry. "Why is it not growing?" he said. He poured more water, then more. He even tried digging the soil to see the seed. Aji saw this. She said gently, "Too much care can also harm." Raju ignored her. After a few days, the seed spoiled. Nothing grew. Raju felt sad. Meanwhile, his friend Meena had planted her seed quietly. She watered it daily. She waited patiently. Her plant slowly grew. Small leaves appeared. Raju felt jealous. He went to Aji and asked, "Aji, why did my plant not grow?" Aji replied, "Because you did not give it time." Raju became silent. A few days later, the village faced a problem. The river water reduced suddenly. The well started drying. People became worried. The village head called a meeting. Everyone gathered under the banyan tree. An old farmer stood up. He said, "We must clean the old pond near the hill. It can store rainwater." Many people agreed. But cleaning the pond needed patience and teamwork. Raju wanted to help. He reached early. He started removing mud quickly. Soon, he became tired and sat down. Other villagers worked slowly. They rested. They worked again. They sang songs. By evening, a large part of the pond was clean. Raju felt surprised. They worked slowly, but finished more, he thought. That night, Aji told Raju a story. She said, "When I was young, I planted a mango tree. It took many years to grow. But today, it gives shade and fruit to many." Raju listened carefully. The next day, Raju planted another seed. This time, he watered it gently. He waited. He did not dig. He did not hurry. Days passed. A small stem came out. Raju smiled. He felt happy. During the next village work, Raju worked patiently. He rested when tired. He helped others. Slowly, he understood something new. After 1 month, the school announced the results. Meena won the prize. Raju did not win. But Raju did not feel bad. His plant was healthy. More importantly, he had learned something. That evening, Raju sat beside Aji. He said, Aji, slow does not mean weak. Aji smiled. She said, slow means steady. Raju looked at his plant. He felt proud. From that day, Raju became calmer. He still asked questions, but he also listened. He still wanted to win, but he learned to wait. The village pond filled with rainwater. The plants grew. And Raju grew too. Not just in height, but in wisdom. And that is how a restless boy learned the power of patience.